In this video, we'll show you how you can connect your Facebook page and your ad manager to run ads via the Interakt platform. To do this, log into the Interakt platform, and on the left-hand side under Market, click on CTWA Ads. Once you click on this, the first step will ask you to create or connect a Facebook page. To do so, simply click on Connect. Here you'll see two options, whether you already have a Facebook page or you don't have one. In this first scenario, we'll select that we already have our own Facebook page. In the next step, it will ask whether you have an existing Meta Ads Manager account or if you want to create one. In this case, we'll proceed with the first option, which says, "Yes, I have my Meta Ads Manager account." Once you've selected this option, simply click on Continue with Facebook. It will ask for a few permissions, so opt in to all current and future pages. Similarly, in the next step, click on Opt in to all current and future businesses, and lastly, for all current and future Instagram accounts as well. Once you hit Continue, tap on Save and click on Got it. The platform will now load all the Facebook pages associated with the user who provided the permissions. I'll be selecting one of the Facebook pages, for example, Interakt Non-2D, and then click on Proceed. Now it will also fetch all your ad manager accounts linked to this user. As you can see, I'm currently part of 2 accounts, so simply select any one of them and click on Proceed. Within a few seconds, everything gets connected successfully. In this next scenario, we'll show you how you can create a Facebook page and an ad manager account directly through Interakt. To do this, click on Connect. Here, select the option which says, "No, I don't have my Facebook business page," and then click on Create Facebook Page. Once you click on this, it will ask for a few details. After filling in the details, you can select the page category. For example, we'll select IT and Company. Here, you need to mandatorily upload the Facebook display picture and cover picture. Once the media files are uploaded, select the location and enter the address. That's it. Once all the details are filled in, simply click on Create Facebook Page. To continue, click on Continue with Facebook Page Creation. Since I'm already logged in, we'll repeat the same permission steps that we followed in the previous scenario, where you need to provide access to all current and future pages, businesses, and Instagram accounts. Once this is done, review all the permissions and simply click on Save. The Facebook page creation process may take a few minutes, so we'll wait for it to complete. As you can see, the Facebook page has now been created successfully. In case you would like to view the page, simply click on View Page, and this is the new Facebook page created through the Interakt platform. Now we'll move on to the next step, which is creating or connecting the Meta Ads Manager account. Since we just created the Facebook page, naturally we won't have an existing Ads Manager account, so we'll create a new one. Before creating the Ads Manager account, you need to ensure that your Instagram account is connected to the Facebook page so that you can run ads on both Facebook and Instagram. You can follow the steps shown in the video for connecting Instagram. Once that setup is complete, simply click on I have connected Instagram, and the ad account will be created successfully. Now that your Facebook page and ad account are connected successfully to Interakt, we'll move on to the final step, which is creating the ad campaign. Before creating the campaign, you would also want to connect your Instagram account to the Facebook page so that ads can run on both Facebook and Instagram simultaneously through the same campaign. To do this setup, simply click on the settings icon. Here, you can see the selected details such as the page name, page ID, and the connected ad account ID. To ensure customers are redirected from your Facebook and Instagram ads directly to your Interakt WhatsApp account, you need to connect both the WhatsApp number and Instagram account to the Facebook page. To quickly show this process, we'll go to Facebook, select the page, and under Settings, navigate to Linked Accounts. Under Linked Accounts, you'll find 2 options, Instagram and WhatsApp. Let's first connect WhatsApp. Here, you need to enter the same number that is connected to your Interakt account so that conversations become visible inside Interakt. We'll copy the number, paste it here, and send a WhatsApp code. Since this is a WhatsApp API number, the request will be sent to the connected Facebook Business Manager account. Now we'll move to the Facebook Business Manager and open requests. As you can see, there's a request to connect the Facebook. Simply click on to verify the connection, refresh the page, and as you can see, the number has been connected successfully and marked as primary. Please note that while multiple numbers can be connected to a Facebook page, the number connected with Interakt must be set as the primary number to ensure CTWA conversations are redirected correctly. Now let's connect the Instagram account. To do this, ensure the Instagram account is either a professional or business account and not a personal account. Simply click on Connect and then Continue. Since I'm already logged in, I'll proceed directly. The platform will now ask you to confirm the Facebook page and Instagram account connection. Simply click on Continue. As you can see, the Instagram account has been connected successfully. To verify this, go back to the Interakt account and click on the refresh icon. Now both the WhatsApp number and Instagram account show as connected successfully, and we are ready to create the first ad campaign. To create the ad campaign, click on the Create Ad Campaign button. The first step is to give the campaign a name. Next, select the ad destinations. Here, both Facebook and Instagram are available, so we'll select both and click on Done. The second step is setting the ad creatives. Here, you can choose different formats such as image, carousel, or video. For this example, we'll upload an image. After filling in the headline and description, click on Done. The next step is defining the targeting. For example, we'll select Mumbai as the location and adjust the targeting radius between 1 to 80 kilometers as allowed by Meta. You can also define the gender, age range, and interests such as fashion accessories or clothing. As you apply these filters, the audience size changes dynamically. Once this is done, move to the next step, which is entering the campaign budget. You can enter the campaign budget and select the start and end dates. Based on the audience targeting selected earlier, Meta may recommend a minimum budget. To stay on the safer side, we'll enter a slightly higher amount. The next step is setting up autofill messages and icebreakers for customers. For example, customers can click on predefined messages such as "Price please" or "No more." For each icebreaker, you can configure either an auto-reply or attach a chat workflow. You can select existing workflows from your Interakt account or create a new one directly from here. Once all the details are configured, click on Done. The final step is defining conversion points. Conversion points help send lead qualification or purchase information back to Meta so that Meta can optimize campaign performance. To add a conversion point, click on Add Conversion Point and select the intent type, such as purchase or lead qualified. For example, we can define a condition where a customer sends a WhatsApp cart message within the next 7 days. You can also enable the option to pass this conversion data directly to Meta. Once this is configured, click on Save. You can add multiple conversion points as required. After completing all the steps, review the campaign details and preview how the ad will appear on Facebook and Instagram. Once everything is verified, click on Publish and the ad campaign will go live. Meta will review the ad before it starts delivering, so this process may take a few minutes or sometimes a few hours. Please ensure there is enough balance available in your Meta Ads wallet for the campaign to run successfully. In scenarios where the ad manager account is created directly through Interakt, the campaign amount will automatically be deducted from the Interakt wallet balance. To verify whether the ad has been published successfully, simply open the connected ad manager account and search for the campaign name. As you can see, the campaign is now visible along with the ad set and ad preview. Please note that you can only view campaigns directly inside the Meta Ad Manager if you connected your own ad manager during setup. If the Facebook page or ad manager was created through Interakt, then campaign analytics and performance data can be monitored directly